Hello, welcome back to the Chess Mindset. In this video, I have a very funny checkmate into puzzle that I came across on YouTube. And this one is actually pretty easy, but I just want to cover this because it's just so funny. I mean, you have all these pawns like connected like this. You'll never see this in a real game, right? But yeah, anyway, if you guys want to have a go at this, then pause the video right now and find the winning checkmate in 2. Okay, so the answer to this puzzle is queen to g4. Now, let me just talk about what is going on here, right? Well, first of all, notice that this king has no legal moves. It can't take the pawn because our pawn's guarding it, and also can't go to these two squares because our pawn is covering. So the king is pretty much stuck here. And also, all of these pawns are basically stuck except for this pawn, right? This e6 pawn, it can only move forward one square, right? That's the only move our opponent can make on the next turn, no matter what we do, right? So how can we like exploit this? Well, pretty simple, right? If we just move our queen to g4, then after the pawn moves, then we can just go queen to c8, and this will be checkmate. So that's basically the puzzle, right? I just thought this was very interesting and very funny because like you'll never see this it feels like someone intentionally set up the pawns like this and then intentionally made this pawn like have no white pawn to obstruct it, which is kind of funny. But yeah, that's why queen to g4 is the solution, because the only move is literally to push this pawn on the next turn. So after they push, then we can just go queen to c8 and this will be checkmate. So this will be a pretty short video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this puzzle. If you want to see more, then be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.